Hi, I'm Carolyn Bird, and I have an incredible home just listed to show you. How would you like to live right here in this gorgeous garden setting and be just a short stroll to downtown Campbell? This home has a stunning open design concept and gorgeous views of the neighborhood. Let's go take a look. 610 Sunsweet Way offers 2,165 square feet of modern and airy living overlooking a park-like garden. This like-new townhome was built just over 4 years ago by local builder Robson Homes, known for inspiring architecture and neighborhoods that impress. As soon as you step inside, you will feel like you've walked into a single-family home, with natural light flooding the home from all these walls of windows and 2 balconies to enjoy the views. A large island kitchen is a showpiece for entertaining and gathering with family, with beautiful custom cabinetry, marble accents, and a butler's pantry for extra counter space and storage. The open concept great room has stunning design detail, from the rich oak floors and soaring 10-foot ceilings to the built-in wine bar for storing and serving your favorite beverages. Guests will have privacy in their own bedroom suite with a full bath on the ground floor, while you retreat to your grand master suite upstairs with vaulted ceiling and garden views. Unwind at the end of a long day in this spacious bedroom with a spa-like bath wrapped in Carrara marble. Another thing I love about this home is the second living area upstairs where you can just relax, unwind, watch a movie, or read a book. This amazing neighborhood is just a few steps from the Los Gatos Creek Trail, great dining, shopping, and the farmers market. So grab your running shoes, hop on your bike, or just stroll a few blocks to enjoy carefree living in the heart of downtown Campbell. Could this be your next dream home? To schedule a private tour, just call, text, or email. I look forward to hearing from you.